Hi, I'm David Hine, founder of UK Gear, and I'm here today with former Navy SEAL and fitness instructor Stu Smith to talk about some of our shoes. So today, Stu, we've got the GT-02. This is a multi-sport shoe that's actually issued to all British Army recruits. It's not issued over here. It's a new product for America that we're just trying to promote. It'd be ideal for anybody who's doing circuit training.
Oh, well, okay, so it's more of like a court shoe, like basketball or tennis. I noticed the bottom of it has special grip and pressure points. So what is this?
Yeah, so basically when you're doing anything indoors, circuit training, there's a lot of dynamic movement, sliding, twisting, turning. So what's an important thing on any court shoe is you've got what's called a pivot point. So when you spin on the ball of your foot, it doesn't stick. If you're in a gym and you do a quick turn on a normal pair of running shoes, the shoe can tend to stick, and that's how you can twist the knee or twist an ankle. So you have a pivot point here. These are also impact pads hit for when you're jumping off something high. So in the British Army, they do a lot of jumping off what they call horses, which is the big vaults, and practicing jumping down or jumping some from ropes, rope climbing, all that sort of thing. So this is all designed to help impact from jumping from high obstacles. But yes, you've got the traction as well. Again, you get a lot of wetness sometimes on gym floors. People sweating on their hands are doing press-ups, and then the next person runs past, floor's wet, slip over, injury. So this actually, the grip technology, this was inspired by boating shoes.
Oh.
Because on boats, on teak decks, it's a very similar environment. It's very wet, very treacherous. So we took inspiration from some of the Navy guys we worked with in the British Army, looking at the grips that they found were working on wet teak decks and things like that. And we brought this into the gymnasium, and that's why it's really successful. Great for injury prevention. As you know, working in the gym, you slip over, twist, crack an ankle, twist the knee. One of the other things is important on an indoor shoe is radiused edges here. Again, it's preventing any sharp edges. If you catch a sharp edge when you do a slide or a turn, you can elevate the ankle over. Right. So quite a lot of technology in slip and traction for indoor work on this shoe, and also a very robust upper. It's got toe pads here for people doing toe curls. People burning through the toes of the shoes because they're just wearing them out. So we put extra reinforcing on the toes. So it really is packed full of technology. It's got a torsion bar, and it's also set up for about a 5K run. So you can go in the gym, work on a running machine, get yourself warmed up, and then go and do your circuit training, because it's got a little bit more shock absorption in the heel than you might normally expect from, say, a tennis shoe or a squash shoe or something like that. So you can do a nice steady warm-up on a running machine up to 5K, and then bang, straight into your fitness regime, your circuit training and things like that. So it's a very adaptable product, and we call it our GT-02 multi-sport shoe.
I like this GT-02. It seems like a very versatile cross trainer.
Yeah, and cross trainer is something that a lot of people over the years now don't quite really understand what cross training is, but it really is what it says. It's something that you can multitask in. We call it our multi-sport shoe, which is really what it is. It allows you to do lots of different activities. So if you can only afford one shoe, then that's the shoe to have, because you can do many things in it.
Nice. So it sounds like great for young and old.
Absolutely, definitely. Got lots of support, lots of control, and again, like all UK Gear shoes, very durable.
Nice. I am now smarter. I've learned something today.
Thanks.